Hello guys, today in this video I will show you that how you can remote play Xbox Series S or Series X games on your PC or laptop. Before you start remote play on your PC or laptop, you will need to do some of the changes in the settings of your Xbox gaming console. So let's just move to our Xbox screen. So on your Xbox, just go to your settings and then go to device and connections, select remote features, enter your password, enable this feature that says enable remote features. Then select the power mode as instant on. Go to Xbox app preferences. Select the second option and also check this box that says allow play to streaming. So these are some of the settings that you need to make sure on your Xbox before going for remote playing on other devices. So after you have done these settings on your Xbox, now let's just move to our laptop screen. So coming back to our laptop screen, let me just remind you that the Xbox Remote Play feature on PC or laptop is already available for the older version of Xbox gaming consoles. Let's say, for example, the Xbox One series. Okay, so if you want to enable the Remote Play feature for your Xbox One series, then you just need to download one application, that is the Xbox Console Companion app, which is available for free in the Microsoft Store. Let me just show you. So this is the Xbox Console Companion app. So just download and install it, and just log in with using your same Xbox Microsoft account password. So just open it, and on the left side menu, head over to the ninth option that says connection. Okay, so this option, it will automatically detect our Xbox gaming console. Make sure that throughout this process your Xbox is turned on, and both your Xbox and your PC or laptop are connected with the same network. So now as you can see, it has successfully detected our Xbox gaming console. So now just select connect over here. So let me just tell you that I have the Xbox Series S. Okay. So now as you can see that there is a stream option over here. So when you click on it, it pops up a message that says that remote play feature is only available for the Xbox One console, but not for the Xbox Series X or S. So what about us? What about the remote play feature of Xbox Series S or X? They are the latest version of Xbox gaming consoles. Microsoft is still yet to release the feature publicly and make it available through applications. However, you can still get your hands on the Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S remote play on PC or laptop by using some of the applications. You will need to require around 2 to 3 applications for that. So the first one is the Xbox Insider Hub. So this application is available in the Microsoft Store and it is also available for free. Let me just show you Xbox Insider Hub. So just download this application and open it. I have already downloaded it. Let me just open it. And in this application, just go to previews. And when you go to previews, it will show a bunch of programs that are available for you to join. So you just have to join this program, Windows Gaming Program. Okay. So after you have joined this program, next you need to install one more application, that is the Xbox application. So just type here Xbox and select this first one. Okay. And now just download and install this application and select open. So now here you can see there are two options named as cloud gaming. One is over here and the other one is remote play feature over here. So the cloud gaming feature is for those who have bought the Xbox Game Pass. Okay. So these two features, you can only see these two features when you have opted for the Windows gaming program. If you have not enrolled for the Windows gaming program, then you will not see these two options over here. So for that, I will suggest you that first download and install the Xbox Insider Hub. Go to previews over there, and then join the Windows gaming program. Okay. Then you go for downloading of the Xbox application, and after you have downloaded it, just go to this option and select it. It will automatically take your Xbox again, and as you can see, it says that Xbox is standby and on. So just click on it, and the remote play will automatically begin. So now, as you can see, we have successfully entered into the remote play feature of our Xbox gaming console, the Xbox Series S. In some of the cases, this might not work for some people because these are still the beta versions. As you can see, Microsoft has not released it publicly. It is somewhat of a hidden feature. Okay, So in case if it does not work for you, then what can you do? So yes, there is an alternate way through which you can access the Xbox Series S or X remote play feature. So let me just show you that option as well. Let me just exit this application. So for that, you just you will have to go to one link. I will leave the link in the description. So when you open the link, it will take you to this page, Xbox Game Streaming Test App. Okay. So if it says download over here, let me just refresh the page. So as you can see, it is now showing in English. So thank God. So this is the Xbox Game Streaming Test App. Okay. So if it shows download over here, so just download and install it and then launch it. There is no problem. But if it says redeem a code, as in my case, then what can you do? So I will leave another link in the description below. So just go to that link and it will take you to this page. Okay. So here, just copy this link from here and then paste this link in the URL in the URL search box and then select search. So now it will show you a list of Microsoft apps. It will show you a list of Microsoft apps, but you need to install only one app. That is the, yes, here it is, App X Bundle. You just have to install this application. Okay, it is around 216.78 MB. You don't need to install any of this. Just install this application. Just right click on it and then select save link as. Okay, save, then save it wherever you want. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. Let me just show you. So uh, so this is the application that I have downloaded. So just double click on it and then select this option, launch when ready, and then select install. It will just take about 2 to 3 minutes. So now as you can see, we have successfully installed the Xbox game streaming app. You just have to wait for a while till it opens. So just click on allow over here, then click continue. This will also automatically detect our Xbox. We just have to wait for a while. Usually it takes a bit more time, usually 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So now, as you can see, we have successfully connected our Xbox Series S with the Xbox game streaming app. So now it is sending us a friendly reminder that you just need to have a good home Wi-Fi connection or else a 5 gigahertz wireless connection so that it can work seamlessly. So just select continue over here and then your remote play feature for our Xbox Series S or Series X will begin shortly. So now as you can see, we have successfully enabled the remote play feature for the Xbox Series S. You can also enable the full screen mode. Select over here and then select toggle full screen. So now the full screen mode has been enabled. You can play games and do whatever you want, just like you do on the Xbox. So these are some of the steps using which you can easily enable the Xbox Series S or X remote play feature on a PC or laptop. By the way, I will also be making a new channel where I will be uploading some of my Xbox gameplays and shorts. I will leave the link of my gaming channel in the description below. So just go there and please subscribe. By the way, if you like this video, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment on below if you find this video helpful. Thank you.